Hi everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the new Forms feature in LenzVU and how to connect those forms to automations. When you enter the Forms section and click Add New, you'll be taken to the Forms page. From there, you can choose between a standalone page, an embedded form, or an email form. For today's training, we'll focus on creating an embedded form and connecting it to an automation workflow. You'll also notice two display options available: inline form and pop-up form. For this example, we'll be creating a pop-up form. Inside the Builder section, you can customize the fields you want included in your form. You'll also see a live preview available for both desktop and mobile views. You can easily add or remove fields depending on the information you want to collect. For this sample form, we'll include first name, last name, email address, phone number, company website. We'll also add an additional information section at the bottom of the form. You can fully customize the field labels, requirements, and options based on your business needs. Required fields can also be enabled or disabled individually. Next, go to the Design tab. Here you can customize fonts and font sizes, border colors, images, overall styling, and branding. You can also adjust the form behavior settings, including form title, pop-up style, delay timing before the form appears. For example, you may choose to display the pop-up after 5 seconds, although this can be adjusted based on your preference. Under the submission settings, you can decide what happens after someone completes the form. For our setup, once a user submits the form, we want them redirected to a Calendly booking page so they can schedule a meeting immediately. You can also connect the form directly to your existing workflows and systems. Once everything is complete, click Update to save your form. You can preview how the form appears on both mobile and desktop devices. Here's the difference between the two form types. A pop-up form appears as a pop-up window on the page after a delay or trigger. An inline form is embedded directly within the page content and remains visible at all times. Both options can be connected to automations. To connect your form to an automation, go to Automations, click Create New, and set the entrance criteria to Form Submitted. Then select the form you created. You can also add exit criteria such as Purchase Made Any Purchase Event. Inside the automation workflow, you can create actions such as sending emails, sending SMS messages, creating tasks for team members, adding or removing tags. You can also insert wait conditions between actions. For example, wait 5 minutes after form submission. Send a welcome email. Wait another 5 minutes. Send a text message. Follow up again after 3 days. Timing can be customized in minutes, hours, days, months, years. You can continue building additional follow-up sequences as needed. There is no limit to the number of actions you can add. You can also customize your emails and text messages using templates. For emails, simply select an existing template or create a new one. For SMS messages, you can type custom responses or build follow-up campaigns that match your workflow. Tags are also very useful inside automations. For example, you can automatically add a tag when someone submits a form, books an appointment, or completes a purchase. You can also remove tags later in the automation depending on the actions the lead takes. This helps organize contacts and allows you to create more targeted campaigns in the future. Another useful feature is task creation. You can automatically assign tasks to team members whenever a new lead submits a form. This helps your team respond quickly and ensures no opportunity is missed. For example, you could create a task for a sales representative to call the lead, send a personalized follow-up, or review the submission details. The Automation Builder is designed to be flexible, so you can continue expanding your workflows over time. You can add additional emails, more SMS, follow-ups, internal notifications, wait conditions, tags, tasks, custom actions. All of these can work together to create a complete lead nurturing process. The goal is to automate communication and ensure every lead receives timely follow-up without requiring manual work every time someone submits a form. Using forms together with automations helps improve response time, increase engagement, and reduce the chances of losing potential leads. Once everything is connected, your system can automatically capture leads, follow up with them, notify your team, and guide contacts through your sales process. That's how you create a landing page experience using forms and connect it to automations inside LenzVU. Thank you, everyone.